bilang freelance editor, mag-edit tayo ng videos. What we have is podcast. I use DaVinci Resolve by the way. So dito, nagawa tayo ng episode 100. Alright. Meron tayong low signal. We have to do this. Kasi tomorrow, bibake naman tayo. 5 orders actually. Pero natapos na natin yung kanina. So may 4 na tayo na kailangan gawin. Cue montage.
I totally forgot to make an outro. So after editing, I was too tired to shoot baking. So I'll just show you the finished product. Let's go.
Guys, next day na. Chill muna tayo.
Chill lang. Tamang baraka lang, kape.
As a freelance worker, this is your right. Cut daw, cut.
Thank you very much. Walang sagal to ha.
No money involved.
I forgot to shoot the ending. So this is the ending. Bye!